Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2009 Subaru Impreza WRX, powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Do also have a functional hood scoop on the front leading into your intercooler, and with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions and just have better control overall. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the trunk, where you do have your spare tire displaced for some reason, but you do have some room in here which can be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And then looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests in the middle, and you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And looking in the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 70,731 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free radio controls. Can also cycle through your trip A and B mileage up here with this little stalk. But then moving on to the left of the steering wheel, you have your mirror controls and your traction control shut off, as well as a little, that's your fuse box actually. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and auxiliary, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then above that you have your clock, your temperature, and your fuel economy, I believe is what that display is. Then moving it down from your radio, you have your climate controls here, very simple, just on 3 dials, with your hazards in the middle. And down here you have a cubby with a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in a power charge. And onto one of the more important things about the vehicle, the 5-speed manual transmission. Of course, your parking brake, also very important for a manual transmission. You have 2 cup holders and your heated front seats with 2 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside, also including your auxiliary and another 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in a power charge or just hook up your audio that way. And you do have the nice WRX bucket seats in this vehicle, for the front 2 seats that is. And then last but not least, looking up, you do have a power moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.